everyone, it's Marky. Today I just want to talk about this 5-in-1 curling iron that I have been using. Like I said, it is 5-in-1, so it does come with 5 different attachments because it is a wand curling iron. And these are all of the attachments. So as you can see, really cool and really versatile, lots of different sizes. It goes from this one, which is a 0.35. So this is more like pencil curls if you want really tight curls. And then this is a 1.25 inch. So this is when you want big loose curls that are more like, I don't know, voluminous. Actually, you can get volume with both, but this one's like the looser curls. And it's really easy to use. This part right here is detachable. This is the base that you're gonna plug every single thing into. It is a little bit, you have to use a little bit of force just to get it out, but in my opinion, I like that because it's a heat tool and I don't wanna risk it just slipping out and falling. To attach them, you just use this little ring right here. It shows you when it's locked and when it's not locked. So it's super easy to use. This one right here is actually the spiral curler. This is for when you want like more undefined kind of beachy curls that are not really uniform. So I really love all of the versatility with it. They are all lined, or not lined, but coated with ceramic tourmaline. And I like that they make it this iridescent rainbow color. I think it's really pretty and it just looks nice. It actually all travels together really well. The pieces aren't too big. You can take everything that you want and just have it with you at any time. The cord is a really great length. I will say this until I die, that I hate hair tools that have short cords because I hate being tied to a wall. So that is great. And it also comes with these 2 little hair clips so you can separate your sections, which is super nice. And then it also has this heat protectant glove. So unlike other traditional curling irons, it doesn't have like a clamp. It's something you really have to use your hands for. So if you don't want to get burned or you don't want to risk getting burned, the fact that it comes with a heat protectant glove, in my opinion, is just great. So super easy. The heat settings go from 355 degrees to 410. The higher settings you're going to use on thicker hair, and then on thinner hair you want to use the less heat, and it's going to work perfectly. I've been using this for months now and I love how my hair looks. It hasn't damaged it. So if you are looking for something like this that has lots of different options with it, I think this would be a perfect choice. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.